Hello guys, welcome to my channel Perfect Nose. This is Evie talking to you. In this video, I'm going to explain the study methods that I mentioned or I put as a shorts before like weeks ago. One of my subscribers asked this video, so let's get into the video. First method that I'm going to explain is 4 quadrants method. 4 quadrants method is a visual note-taking strategy that divides your page into 4 distinct sections, each serving a specific purpose. This method is particularly useful for meeting, brainstorming sessions, or when you want to categorize different types of information. Here's how to do it. Divide your page. Take a sheet of paper or a digital document and draw 2 lines that intersect in the middle, creating 4 roughly equal quadrants. And label each quadrant. Assign a specific category or purpose to each quadrant. The labels you choose will depend on the contents of your note taking. Here are some examples for you, like problem solving. Top left may be proper definition, and the top right is possible solutions. Bottom left are evaluation of your solutions, and bottom right is the next action plan. And if you study any topics, top left the key concept or the definitions, top right are the examples, illustrations, bottom left questions are the parts you have some doubts, confusion. Bottom right may be the your summary, your own summary. And take notes within each quadrant. As you listen to a lecture, participate in the meeting, or anything you do in the corresponding quadrant based on the labels you have assigned, using abbreviations, bullet points, and your own language to capture the key points and write it in your own language or maybe in English. Focus on categorizing the information as you go. If a question arises, put it in the question box. If you get your answers, put in the separate quadrant. Review and synthesize. After the session or study time, review the notes in each quadrant is a must you need to do. Look for the connection between the different categories. And what are the benefits of 4 quadrant methods? It may be first is organization and categorization, action-oriented synthesis, and review. Organization provides a clear and visual structure for your notes. It helps you to actively categorize information as you learn. It can help you easily identify and track tasks and questions. It encourages you to think about the relationship between the different pieces of information. The organized format makes it easier to review and recall information. By adapting the quadrants to your specific needs, the 4 quadrant method can be very effective way to organize your thoughts and notes. And the next one is the Cornell note-taking method. It's a structure system that help you to make organized and effective notes. Here how to do it. Prepare your page. Divide your notebook page into 3 sections. Note-taking area may be the wide right region, and the side column may be a narrow left region, and the summary area is the bottom region. The note-taking region is where you will take the bulk of your notes during a lecture or while reading. And the narrow left section, maybe leave the section during the note-taking process empty. Make the section empty when you are taking the notes. You will fill it in later with keywords, questions, and main ideas. Aim for above 1/3 of the page width. And the summary, the bottom area will dedicate a few lines at the bottom of the page for the concise summary of the entire page of notes. The summary based on your understanding. And during lectures or reading, record as many meaningful facts and ideas as possible. Focus on key points, concepts, and supporting details. Using abbreviations, symbols, and short phrases may save you time. Paraphrase information instead of reading everything. Leave space between points for later addition or clarification. Note down any examples, diagrams, or information written on the board or the slides that are showing during your lectures. After the lecture, you need to, as soon as possible after a lecture or reading, go to your notes in the main section, condense the main ideas, key terms, important days, and the potential test questions into short keywords or questions in a left-hand queue column, and maybe review it later. And summarize at the bottom of the page. You need to summarize the main points into 2-3 lines the page contain, and overall meaning of the note on the page. Use your own words to solidify your understanding. Review and study. Recite. Cover the note-taking area, leaving the column visible. Use the keywords or questions in the Q column to Q column to recall the detailed information in your words. Then uncover your notes for check for your accuracy and the dot pots, confusions, and think critically about the material, how this connect other topics, what are your own opinions on the questions. In short, it may help you to record information actively during learning, reduce notes into consign points after learning, recite information using the clues for self-testing, reflect on the material to deepen understanding, review notes regularly for better retention. This method provides a structured way not only to take notes but also to actively engage with the material for more effective learning and retention. That's for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and this note taking is so much effective. If you want to know how other noting methods may be, you can leave a comment on it, and I will put a video on this topic. That's all for today. Bye, guys.